Saan iti?
Lupos.
Ano ko sa? Sa mura sa mag-open dito eh. Buntag. Alas 5? Oh. Mag-lechon in here. Here's their lechon around 9 a.m. Pila ning lechon nangga? 800? Ah, sige. Balik ka pa. Oh. So, 800. The big head in here. Ilang lechon te?
800 ang kilo, ma.
800. Dahil yung pilik mata ni ate ay. Lagi una na ako nakitaan.
Bigyan naman ang pilik mata niya, ma.
Abi na kog halin na ang tindera.
Tama, ma'am. Halin na, ma'am. Halin na, ma'am. Lako ko na halin, ma'am.
Tawag na.
Dagan na halin, ma'am.
Ilan yung plato?
200, ma'am. 1 Doon ka bang teacho, Nay? Doon ka bang teacho? Lamas na ba? Lamas na eh?
It's like 1/4. You take cut up. It's chopped already. Kuya is even like, hang it out. Pwede rin dyan mo aray-daray. Hindi na pagid sila park. Pero pinaka-end niya nga koan area mo pinakahalin nun. Then here you can see murag small park nila. I think they're still renovating this one.
We're in the dine-in area now, getting some nice serenading.
A free serenade. Thank you.
So small. It looks good.
Yeah. Food right at the beach.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a great day. Lots of good fresh food, music, the beach, and the clouds are going away, so that's nice.
They even give us like a free stuff.
Oh yeah, chorus, encore.
While they're singing, he's preparing the food. Tagalog song for an American guy. Yeah, God bless. Hi guys. Was it fun?
That was good. That was cute. That's a nice, honest way to make money.
Yeah.
So
Araw
this-
ng Pasko, the day of Christmas.
Oh, then let's eat. Let's see. So we've got the grilled octopus. We got the raw kinilaw, which is ceviche. It's like fish, peppers, vinegar, onion. And then we got some sauce, which is the sauce is chili, soy sauce, vinegar, so sukat, batis, sili, which is the chili, and then calamansi, which is the lime. So I'm learning. I know the foods. I know the foods really well. So we're gonna eat this. Let's try it first and see how we like it. So why don't you try the octopus?
All right. Woo. Good luck to me.
Good?
Chewy. It's good.
Yeah.
We try it, sir.
It's hot too. I'm gonna put a little bit of chili on mine. Oh yeah. Oh. That chili is hot. Holy crap.
Got you?
They never get me. I love chilies. Woo. That one's super strength. Oh, so good though. Halang kaayo.
Don't cry, sir. Look at his eyes.
Oh god. How about let's try the kini lao? This one has tiny little. I guess I'll just eat it with my hand.
Yeah. Let's give it hand. Be like a Pinoy.
It tastes good. I think there's too much vinegar because the texture is very hard.
Oh.
Like I've had kini lao before and it's much more soft. It tastes good though. It tastes like pickled. I don't know. Kind of like a pickle, but like a really hard, fresh pickle maybe. Crunchy. But it's delicious, yeah. This sauce would be good with like just some regular barbecue.
And with puso too, but we didn't order puso.
Do you want a puso?
No. We're on diet, right?
I'm trying to just do protein since we're going to be eating so much. Right? We had the bibingka, we had the coffee. We might get puto bumbong. We got octopus, we got kini lao.
And you get the snack. Silvana? Was it called Silvana?
Oh yeah, Silvana. The cassava cracker cake with chocolate. Definitely good. So we want to, if we eat less rice, I think we'll be fine. Plus we're doing a lot of walking. So let's finish this and then we'll get back to you in a little bit with some more lechon pictures. Bye. All right guys, we're gonna try the desserts now. So what are these called? What's this one? The like raisin cake? What is that?
Coconut raisin.
Coconut. And this is puto.
Puto. Biko.
Biko.
Yeah. I forgot the name of this. But it's like coconut, made of coconut.
I snuck one of these while you were looking for lechon. So I know these are good. But it's like tiny little cupcakes. You can see, oh there's my hand. Tiny cupcake. But it's got coconut and then caramel sugar and a little raisin.
You eat all the raisins.
You want to try?
Pinoy thing again. Just getting all the food in there.
It's really good, isn't it? I don't normally like coconut, but these are great. It's fantastic. And the caramelized sugar is really good. Now, last time I had puto, I didn't like it. There's cheese on top. Why there's cheese on this, I don't know. It's like a little jello.
Yeah, because it's like a jello. You put taste on it. Just putting cheese on top of it. It's weird.
I don't like that. Here, you try it.
Give it.
The cheese is weird for me.
It's good for me. I'm a Pinoy. That's like this.
Like, imagine you took a bowl of jello and then put Velveeta cheese on top of it, what that would taste like. It's a favorite here. I want to say one of the very few things I haven't liked in the Philippines. Most of them I really like. Let's try the bika.
Biko.
Biko.
Yeah. Bika, that I think that's a name. Who's Bika?
Slippery.
Slippery, yeah.
The oily leaf.
I need to get some cheese on it.
Just have some cheese. But it's like little glutinous rice cake.
Yeah. Glutinous rice. We called here it like pilit.
Filet. Yeah, I've had this before at the gym. A little kid came in selling these. They were excellent. It's
Is
like
it sweet?
a little. It's like caramelized sugar and sticky rice. It's kind of like, you can see it like it stretches. It's like, it's really nice. Here, you try it.
We usually cook this like for November to like kaya kung i-offer na sa itong mga minapay, no? Like offering to the died relatives or like your mom or dad. We cook this one mostly in November
Okay.
for offering.
Like for Saints Day?
Ah, I'm sorry. But we still really like to cook it every now and then.
Yeah, around Halloween, in the beginning of November, they go to like the cemetery and honor their relatives and stuff that have passed on. And leave. I lost the bag. It blew away in the wind. You can see it's a nice windy day here at the beach.
And you can hear it. You
Yeah.
can hear it on the background.
I'm sure. Yeah. I'm gonna try the little cassava cake now. Again.
Again?
Kuya said he was selling these for
10.
well, no, for a school project, right?
Oh, yeah, for a school project. I thought it was the price of that one.
Yeah, it is. Damn. It's good. It tastes like a plain Lay's potato chip that you put sugar on. It's honestly just like sweet and salty. It's really, and it's so crispy. You want some?
He said like it's a syrup, chocolate syrup.
Chocolate syrup. Yeah, he had a little fanny pack full of chocolate syrup.
Put it in his bag.
You wanna try it? Super good.
We really love this when we were kids. We're like, Ma! Palitin me, Ma!
Buy me.
Buy me one!
All right, we're gonna finish enjoying our dessert. We'll get a little bit more.
Preparing to pay for the food that we ate, right? He's so tall. They're eating.
Oh, they're eating?
Yeah. Bayad na, Mia.
Potatoes.
50 og pila to ya? 170. Oh. He's even cutting the chicken.
Skilled with that knife. That'd be great.
Some sauce coming. It's a lot of sauce. Pila na sa mo ka years diri ya? Dugay na? Oh. Lula pa nimo? Wow. 40 years. Oh.
He's been doing this 40 years.
No, it's her grandma.
Oh, okay.
Up until he's
I
here.
was like, he looks like he's 22. They said,
Alo, bataan ni mo ya. 22 na daw ka.
oh, it's close. Okay, I was very close. All right.
Thank you, ya.
Yeah.